So results of the program were significant cost savings, energy savings, water savings, and we tied that to greenhouse gas reductions.
WET was a program that was funded through Governor Brown's response to the drought in, I believe, 2014, and funds came out in 2015 to help fund companies that were looking specifically at technology that would increase the efficiency of water use and energy use. Wexus was one of the awarded companies, and we worked with them through this project.
Under this project, we wanted to address three key issues in agriculture that we found through many interviews with growers. The first one being labor and labor shortages, the second being water and droughts, and the third being regulation and reporting.
Farmers in California are always concerned about drought, so we've seen extreme variation in the precipitation that we receive here. So one way to combat that or adapt to that is to really look at your water use and try to understand where you're using it, when you're using it, and hopefully reduce your use if you can.
The overall goal was a 5 to 10% savings across the board, and we're able to achieve that.
At Rio Farms, we manage and operate about 6,000 acres here in King City, and we opted to join Wexus in looking at two of our ranches at about 1,600 acres total. And what they did is they took our PG&E data and they put it through a user-friendly interface, so an app on a phone as well as an online tool that you can access monthly. And they gave us information on our water and energy use. So what time of day were we pumping? How much water were we using? That type of information they were able to give us, and then through monthly and sometimes quarterly meetings we were able to give them feedback about their app as far as, do we want to see a bar graph or a pie chart? Really working with their user interface team to refine and perfect their app.
Collaborations like this are really important to meeting our future energy goals. We're looking to get 100% renewable energy in California, and agriculture needs to be a part of that overall plan.
We have the common goal of adapting to a changing climate. We have a common goal of reducing our water use and reducing our impact on water quality. So I think if we can collaborate and work together, it's always going to benefit society as a whole.
So Wexus Technologies are focused on the water energy nexus. We help growers manage utilities from energy, water, driving cost savings, driving efficiency, and driving automation. So it takes a lot of energy to pump water to crops. So we've got the utility poles here that's feeding down into a transformer here and an electrical meter. This is a utility smart meter. So with the Wexus platform, we're grabbing this data as well as a lot of billing information. That's feeding into a pump system and a well, and also feeding into the flow. So we're able to track water consumption with a digital flow meter, as well as pressure off a well with pressure sensors. We can digitize that information, we can track it in real time, provide alerting, a lot of reporting, Sigma compliance, and really driving efficiency and overall cost savings. So right here we have a gateway device. This is pulling in energy, water data in real time and transmitting it out on a cell network in the clouds. You can see a little antenna up here. And this allows us to provide real-time alerting to growers in the field with text messages and emails to get the right kind of actions at the right time.